So hello guys, welcome back to develops.ai. So in this video, we're going to automate data capture at scale with document AI, and it is a challenging lab. So let's start the lab. So before starting the lab, please like, share, and subscribe for develops.ai, guys. So just copy a password and open a console in ignore mode and click on next and paste your password here and click on next. Click on I understand. So now click on agree and continue and open your browser terminal. So click on continue and come back. So I will provide a link in the description. So get access of that link and copy the GitHub repo here and then copy this export processor and then come back and just wait till the terminal loads. So click on got it and paste it here and come back to your lab and click on task number one. So below task number one, below task number two, there is a finance processor. So copy that processor name and then come back to your lab and then just paste here and click on enter. So come back and then just copy the curl command given in your link in description. So paste it here and click on enter and click on authorize and just wait for 10 to 15 minutes. It takes some time. So after that it may show some errors, so don't panic for the errors or don't thanks for the errors. So just wait for till the lab get executes and then let me check our progress. So let me wait for a few minutes and let me solve this lab easily. So guys, our lab has been finally executed. So in this lab, see a few of them will get errors, only errors. I have been got only 3 errors. So more than 6 or 7 errors, the lab will not get executed. So do one thing, just end this lab and retry the lab again, and the lab will be successfully executed. I'm saying. So just end the let to check our progress after this lab has been executed. So at task number two, let me check our progress. So the task number two has been executed. Let me see in task number one. So task number one also it has been executed. Let me move to task number three and click on check my progress. So task number three also has been executed. Let me see for task number four. Task number four also has been executed. So task number five. So successfully task number five also be executed. So guys, there is a clarification that if you get more errors, continuous errors means don't think the lab will not get executed in task number four and task number five. So if you're not getting any executed in for task number four and five, then just end the lab and restart the lab and follow the same instructions as I given in this video. So let's end this lab. So if you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates on developers.ai, guys. Thank you.